Good morning, students. Hope you all are keeping well and staying at home. Once again, we are back to this online class of Kerala Public School. Children, we have learned, okay, whatever subject we have learned, everything you note down and study, okay. So today also we are going to continue the English grammar, okay. Yesterday we have started the third chapter, right? So hope you have understood the third lesson. So today also we are going to continue the same. So let's start. Okay, lesson 3 about the nouns. So children, yesterday I have explained you what is nouns, right? So hope you have understood, and I have told you what is common noun and proper noun also. Yes. So today once again we will start what is common noun and what is proper noun. Okay. Yesterday I have told you the name of a general person, place, animal or thing is called a common noun, which is come in commonly which we call, okay, like brothers, commonly we call everyone, we can call brothers. Sisters also we can call everyone, no, like this, which come in general, which we can call generally to everyone, okay, like book also, so many books we can call books, no. So this come in general, commonly we can call. So that is a common noun. Understand? Now proper noun, which have the special name, okay, which have the special name which other cannot have. That is the proper noun. No? Yes sir, also we have learned. So you take yesterday I gave this page number 8. No, this story I have told you to underline in your book, right? Hope you all have done your homework. So now take page number 9, okay. Now you take page number 9. So now we will learn here, okay, about the proper noun we will hear. So first of all, proper noun are special names of, okay. Yesterday also I have told proper noun is a special name of a person, maybe anything, okay, thing, person, animal, place name, okay, all this will have special name, so that is the proper noun. Like here, people names such as Radha, Gaurav, Virat Kohli, Harry Potter, all these have a special name. That is their special name. They don't come in commonly. Okay, commonly we cannot call them Virat Kohli, everyone we cannot call, no. So they have a special name. So this is the proper noun. Understand? So this is a people name. People name, like I also have a my special name, no. So my name will be proper noun. But I am a teacher, so everyone will call me teacher. Okay. So that teacher will be a common noun. Then countries, okay, countries also comes in proper noun. Town, villages, okay, village also they will have the special name. Rivers, seas, lakes, mountains such as India, Chennai, Yamuna river, the Pacific Ocean, the Dal Lake, the Himalayas, okay, like this they will have special name, okay. So that special river ka bhi special name hai, yes or not, like Ganga river, so that Ganga will be a proper noun. Or village, in village also they have a special name, yes or no, in particular village they will have a name, so that village name will be a proper noun, but that village will come in common noun. Understand? Then mountains का भी नाम है, जैसे कि हिमालय, yes, so that Himalaya भी proper noun है. जो तो जिसका नाम होता है, special name होता है, this all will be the proper noun. Understand? Now next is days of the week. Okay, days of the week means like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we learn, no, days of the week. So this days of the week also is a proper noun because they have a special name. This Sunday, Monday also their special name. So they also in common noun. Okay, like months of the year like January, February, March, April. These also are the proper noun. Understand? Remember. Then festivals such as Friday, June, Christmas, Holy Republic Day. Okay. So this also is a festivals like Independence. We celebrate Christmas, Holy Republic Day. No. So all these which they have a special name. So they also in a proper noun. Now, buildings, parks, stadium, roads, airports, stations, malls, historical mountains such as buildings. So in building also, okay, they will have this particular name for that building. Yes or no? So that particular name of that building also is a proper noun. Okay, remember. Then park also they have a name. Okay, they give name no in the park also. So that park also is a proper noun. Then stadiums means where we play cricket stadium like. Okay, so that stadium also they will have a particular name. Okay, so that name also is a proper noun. Then airports also they have a name. Stations also they have name. Malls also they have name. Yes or no? Historical monuments like Taj Mahal, okay, old buildings. So they also have a particular name. Yes or no? So all these are the proper noun. Understand? Like here given Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Indian Gate, the Red Fort, okay, Pacific Mall, Road. So all these have whichever things have special name. All these are proper noun. Okay, you remember. Then books. Our books, we are using books. So this book also have a special name. Like English book we are learning, no? So that English book name is Stepping Stone. Yes. So that also is a proper noun. When they have a particular name for that, then that is a proper noun. Like books. Books is a commonly all the books we can call books, no? So that will come in common noun. Understand? Now a science book also, science book, no? So in science book there is a special name written, Galaxy. So that Galaxy is a proper noun, but science books is a common noun. Okay, like newspapers. Likewise, newspaper also we have special names. Yeah? Dainik Jagran, like that. Another name we have in newspapers also. So that also in a proper noun. But newspaper is a common noun. Understand? Then magazines also there are so many different names. No, so the magazine also is a magazine. That particular name will be the proper noun, and magazines is a common noun. Understand? Such as the wind below, here it is given example. Understood? So once again you go through yourself, you will understand. Okay. Now exercise A. Identify the proper noun and common noun in each of these sentences. Write P for proper noun and C for common noun. Okay. If it is proper noun, we have to write P. If it is common noun, we have to write there C. Here one is done for us. Okay. My sister and I went to a Donald's Choco place for lunch. Okay. So my sister is a common noun. Everyone we will call sister, no? So that is a common noun. Then Donald's Taco is that particular place name. So that is a proper noun. Lunch is a common noun. We can call anywhere we eat. So that is lunch. So lunch is a common noun. Okay. So now second one is Ravi bought watch for so here Ravi bought a watch for Sujata. So Ravi is a particular person's name. So this is a proper noun. Okay, bought a watch. watch is a thing. Okay, it's proper or common? Yes, watch is a common noun because so many everybody wears watch. No, so this is a C we can write. Then Sujata is a particular person's name. Okay, so this is a proper noun. So we have to write. Did you understand? Now the third one is my father took us to Okay, now third one. Okay, third one is my father took us to Shimla. So here which is the proper noun? Which is common noun? Yes, father. We call so many everyone our parents we call our papa we call father. No, so father is a common and Shimla is a special name of a place. So it is a proper noun. Understand? Now fourth one is Mrs. Menon is a very good teacher. Okay, here also you see Mrs. Menon is a very good teacher. No, so Mrs. Menon is a name of a person. So it's special name, so it is a proper noun and teacher. Like I also teacher, likewise so many teachers you have, no? So teacher is a common noun. Understand? So can you do that yourself? Yes. Now fifth one is we went to Apu Water Park and played games there. Okay? We went to Apu Water Park. Okay? Apu Water Park is a park name. So it is a special name for that park. So that it will be the proper noun and played games there. So games, whatever game, okay? So games is a common noun. Understand? Now sixth one is we went to Paradise Mall to see a film. So we went to Paradise. Paradise means the name of that theater name, no? So Paradise Mall. So Paradise Mall is a proper noun. Film is a common noun. So many film you can call film. So it's a common noun. My seventh number. My friends lives in Park Street. Okay, friend. We have so many friends, no? So we could call anyone friend. So it is a common noun. Park Street. Okay, Park Street is a place name. So it is a proper noun. Then eighth number is Mona and Torna went to see a play at Broadway Theatre. Okay, Mona and Tuna is a proper noun. Went to see a play at what else? So theatre name also is a particular theatre name. No, so it is a proper noun. Understand? Now, 9 number is Rajini bakes the best cookies in town. Okay, Rajini bakes. So here Rajini is a proper noun and cookies and town is a common noun because cookies we can so many cookies we can do. Town also we so many towns we can find. So it is a common noun. Understand? So will you do yourself? Yes, you can do yourself. First you do in your book, then you write it in your English grammar notebook. Now next page, page number 10. Okay. Rewrite these sentences using capital letters for the first letter of each sentences and each proper noun. So rewrite this sentence using capital letters. So first every sentence first letter is a capital letter. Yes, before also I have told you first letters always start with a capital letter. We should not write in small letter. Okay, first letter should be in capital letter, and if it is proper noun If it is proper noun, particular people name, place name, okay, yeah, things name, then we have to write in capital letter. Okay, always this we have to remember. Understand? So here we have to rewrite this sentence using capital letters. Okay, and when it is proper noun, we have to write capital letters. When it is necessary capital letters, we have to write. Okay, so first one is given, the capital of India is New Delhi. This we have to write in capital letter. Here it is given like, first one is given, no, the capital of India is New Delhi. Is it given in our book? Yes. So we have to write this in proper way. Okay. So first is the. So this the will be capital letter. Then capital. Okay. Of this India is given in small letter. So we have to write it capital letter. Is. So this New Delhi also is a particular place name. Okay, so we have to write this. Okay, did you understand? So where it is necessary capital letters, we have to use capital letters, and first letter should be always in capital letter. So likewise, second number is given, the Kapoor family went to Jammu for the holidays. Okay. The is a capital letter. Kapoor is a particular person's name. No, so Kapoor will be in capital letter. Family went to Jammu. Jammu is a particular place name. No, so that we have to write in capital letter for holidays. Understand? So like this. This also you will do for yourself. Okay. Third number is given, the boys met me at Atlantic Cave in July. So the boys, the is capital letter, met me at Atlantic Cave. Atlantic will be, this is a particular place name, so we have to write that in capital letter, and July also we have to write in capital letter. I have told you this month of the years also in capital letter we have to use. They are also proper nouns, so we have to use that in capital letter. Then fourth number, the famous English crime novelist Agatha Christie wrote many books. Okay, the is capital letter. Famous English crime novelist Agatha Christie, this will be the in capital letter, wrote many books. Understand? Then fifth number, I enjoy going to Mrs. Brown's bakery classes on Sunday. So I will be the capital letter, first letter, that is enjoys going to Mrs. Brown's bakery. Okay, Mrs. Brown's bakery will be in capital letter. Then classes on Sunday. Sunday will also be in capital letter because days of the week also are proper noun. Understand? So sixth number is, the gangs passes through the states of Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal. The will be in capital letter. Okay, the will be in capital letter. Gangs. Okay, gangs means group of people. No, so this gangs passes through the state. Okay, gangs also will be in capital letter, through the states of Uttarakhand capital letter, Uttar Pradesh capital letter, Bihar capital letter, Jharkhand capital letter and West Bengal capital letter. Then seven number, Lisa has a pet dog called Roof. Okay, Lisa will be in capital letter. Pet dog of Roof. Roof is a particular that pet's name. No, so that will be in capital letter. Then 8 number, Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Eid are my favorite holidays. So festivals also in capital proper noun. No, so them also we have to write in capital letter. So like Diwali, Christmas, Holi, Eid, this all we have to write in capital letter. Favorite holidays. Understand? So whichever is proper noun, we have to write in capital letter. Always remember which are proper noun, which have a particular name for the thing, animal, yeah, person. Okay, if they have a special name, okay, if we call them by name, then we have to write in proper noun. Always this we have to remember. Understand? If we are not writing in proper way, if one sentence but it is proper noun, but if you have not written their proper capital letter, then that sentence will be wrong. That's why always we have to remember this. Okay, so this is the for you 2 exercises you have to do. First you do in your book, then you do in your English grammar book. Okay, so these 2 exercise you have to complete yourself. Understand? So today here we stop, then we'll continue in next video. Thank you.